In front of me is INFINIX Zero and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus at the top and set up an hour. When you finish, hit repeat and tap on days of the week you wish to set up. Save them by hitting done. If you don't want to do that and you only want to use this alarm once, you can use this switcher next to delete this alarm after ringing. I will go with days of the week though. Then hit alarm sound, choose add new at the top and pick any music from your smartphone to set it up as your new alarm one. You can also just try one of those melodies as well by tapping on the best one for you. Now hit label to name your alarm however you wish to, and tap on done. Finally, select snooze and decide how many minutes it will take. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate or ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. To save it, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To delete it, you need to hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To make some changes though, just click on it, change whatever you want to, and click on this X on the left to discard those changes, or check mark on the right to save them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!